Hi, let me show you how to change ringtone on iPhone. So firstly, go ahead and open settings on the phone because here we need to find the section sounds and haptics. Right now, from the list of other options, pick ringtone. And by default, you will see reflection as your current ringtone. You can tap it to listen. And to change it, you just need to pick any other option from the list. Also, classic category is available here as well, so you can pick it and find something here. So let's select this Milky Way, for example. This is how it will sound. And you can save changes only by clicking this back button, and here you should see new name of your ringtone. Also, you can download any sound you want to by going in Tone Store. But be aware that all of the options are non-free here. So if you want to buy something, then just click it and click here to buy. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.